Western medicine says that leaky gut is not a real thing, and they are wrong. Let's talk about how you can heal your gut in 5 easy steps so that you can reverse skin conditions, mood disturbances, digestive issues, autoimmunity, and more. The first step in healing leaky gut is to remove gut triggers. You've got to get stress out of your life, and you also have to avoid pro-inflammatory foods. Things like gluten, dairy, excess fats, especially cheap oils, chocolate, alcohol, caffeine, coffee, and excess sugar all in the diet. Get it out because all of these food sensitivities can cause inflammation in your gut. So when it comes to pro-inflammatory foods, just get them out of your life. When you have chronic leaky gut, you lose vitamins, minerals, digestive enzymes, fiber, and phytonutrients. So the second step in healing your leaky gut is to replace what has been lost with whole foods as well as high-quality supplements. Supplements like a digestive enzyme and a multiple vitamin can help to replace everything that you've lost along the way. Next, we have to repopulate our gut with both strain-specific probiotics and prebiotics. So probiotics you can easily add into any smoothie that you want. You want to be sure that you are picking strain-specific probiotics, which means that you have a genus, a species, and a bunch of numbers and letters after the genus and species. That tells you exactly what the supplement is designed to do. You can also feed the probiotics in your gut with a high-quality fiber supplement. These are known as prebiotics, and these prebiotics are indigestible fibers that we can't digest, but the bacteria in our gut can. In addition to using supplements, you can also use foods like onions or garlic, and you can also get probiotics in your diet from things like kombucha and fermented foods like sauerkraut, or these are pickled beets. You can also use regular old pickles as well. The next step is to repair the lining of the gut and help to close all of those tight junctions. The way that we do that is by supplementing with food that is eaten by the cells that line the interior of your gut. Things like glutamine. We also can soothe the inside of the gut with things like slippery elm and aloe vera. We also need to nourish the cells with vitamin A, vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, selenium, and molybdenum. So adding in supplements that contain these ingredients can help us to seal the lining of the gut, helping us to heal the leaky gut. The fifth and final step of repairing your leaky gut is to rebalance your attitude. We all go through stress, and a gut that is under stress will never heal. You must find ways to intentionally relax each day. So whether you light some Palo Santo, take a nap, or meditate, or do some yoga, find a way to de-stress every day. Hey, if you liked this video, please like and subscribe. It helps me to bring more content to you just like this.